Hey, have you ever wondered how everything began? Before the stars, before the earth, before time itself? Some say the world started with one command. Some say it was made step by step. Others believe it never really began at all. And this is Qalam and Quest. Today, we're going back to the very beginning, the Tari, the dawn of everything.
A very, very long time ago, before there was light, before the sky, before the earth, there was nothing. No sound, no time, no people, just a big quiet mystery. And ever since humans learned to think, they have asked one big question. Where did everything come from? People all around the world looked up at the sky and wondered. They told stories, they wrote books, they shared ideas. Not because they had all the answers, but because they were amazed. This is not just one story. It is many stories about how the world began. In Islam, the world begins with one command from God. God is called Allah. Allah says just one word, be, and everything exists. No waiting, no fixing, no trying again. When Allah speaks, it happens right away. The Quran says that the sky and the earth were once together, like one big piece. And then Allah separated them. Before land, before stars, before people, there was water. Above it was something called the throne, which shows that everything has order and purpose. Then Allah created the pen. The pen wrote down everything that would ever happen. That means nothing is an accident, nothing is forgotten. Everything has meaning. In this story, the universe is not messy or random. It is carefully planned, and people are important because they were made on purpose. In the Bible, the story is a little different. In the book called Book of Genesis, creation starts like this. In the beginning, the earth is empty. It is dark. There is water everywhere. Then God speaks. But instead of doing everything at once, God creates the world step by step, over 6 days. First comes light, then sky, then land and seas. After each step, God says, "This is good." Stars are made to light the sky and help people know time. Plants come first, then animals, then humans. People are made from dust, like Earth itself, and filled with God's breath. In this story, humans are given a job, take care of the world. Just like the Islamic story, this one shows, the universe was made with care. Nothing happened by accident. In some Eastern traditions, the world does not begin just once. In Hindu belief, the universe is made and unmade over and over again. A god named Brahma breathes out, and a universe appears. He breathes in, and it disappears. This happens again and again. There is no first world. There is no last world. Everything is part of a giant cycle. In Buddhism, the idea is even simpler. There is no creator god. Things exist because of causes. When causes change, things change too. Nothing lasts forever. Everything is connected. The lesson here is not about how the world started, but about learning to accept change. Today, scientists study space. They talk about stars, explosions, and the Big Bang. They say the universe is almost 14 billion years old. But even with all that knowledge, people still ask, why is there something instead of nothing? These old stories stay alive because they help us understand why life matters, why we should care for the world, why we are here. Some say the universe was commanded. Some say it was spoken. Some say it breathes in cycles. But all of them agree on one thing. The universe is important. And if the universe is important, so are we.
Under one sky, people told many stories about the beginning, not to argue false, but to wonder. Maybe the most important moment was not when the world began, but when humans first stopped and asked, how did all this start? This has been the dawn of everything. If you want to explore more stories about the past, subscribe and keep wondering with us.